Tonight, as you're getting ready for bed, I want you to imagine something simple, something so ordinary that you may have overlooked it your entire life. Picture a small bowl sitting on your bedside table. Inside it are 3 dried fruits. Nothing fancy, nothing expensive, just tiny, natural foods that have been used for centuries for healing. Now imagine this. While you sleep tonight, those little dried fruits begin working inside your body like quiet repairmen. They target the 2 places seniors worry about the most, your eyes and your memory. They support the cells in your retina, increase blood flow to the optic nerve, protect the macula, and even help your brain clear out the clutter that causes brain fog and forgetfulness. And the most surprising part? This healing doesn't happen during the day. It happens while you sleep. When your body is at rest, when your brain is reorganizing memories, when your eyes are recovering from a long day, that's when these dried fruits go to work. So let me ask you something. What if the difference between blurry vision and clearer eyesight, between forgetfulness and sharper recall, was something as simple as choosing a small dried fruit before bed? What if one small nightly habit could help fuel your brain, protect your eyes, and support healthy aging naturally, starting tonight? Would you try it? If your answer is yes, stay with me, because in this video I'm going to show you the 3 dried fruits that seniors around the world have quietly used for generations, and why eating them before sleep can help nourish your vision and strengthen your memory naturally. And you don't need a blender, a supplement, or a complicated routine. You just need 3 simple dried fruits that you can find anywhere. Let's begin. The first dried fruit on our list is something many people enjoy casually, but rarely realize how powerful it is for aging eyes and brain cells. When you eat just a small handful before bed, it releases a slow stream of polyphenols and natural minerals that protect the retina from nighttime oxidative stress. Seniors often tell me they notice less morning dryness, fewer tired eyes, and even better contrast sensitivity after making this a nightly habit. That's because while you sleep, your retina is busy renewing its light-sensing cells, and this fruit gives it the raw materials it needs to recover and repair. If you've been experiencing blurry vision after reading, trouble adjusting to dim lighting, or dryness when you wake up, this fruit quietly supports the lubrication cycle of the eyes and helps reduce inflammation that builds up over time. What makes it especially beneficial for seniors is the combination of natural sugars that fuel the brain overnight, along with antioxidants that protect delicate tissues from aging-related damage. It works like a gentle boost for your eyes and a steady fuel source for your memory centers. The second dried fruit works in a completely different way, and believe it or not, it may be the most underrated brain food in your kitchen. Most people eat it for digestion, but very few realize that it contains unique compounds that support blood flow to the brain and eyes. As we age, circulation becomes slower, blood vessels get stiffer, and nutrients have a harder time reaching the tiny capillaries behind the eyes. This dried fruit helps open up those vessels naturally, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach the optic nerve, retina, and memory-critical areas of the brain. Seniors who eat this dried fruit at night often report better sleep quality, fewer nighttime awakenings, and a calmer nervous system. That's because it contains natural compounds that help regulate melatonin production. And when your sleep is deeper, your brain can perform its nighttime cleanup process more effectively, removing toxins that build up during the day and interfere with memory. Think of it as pressing a gentle reset button every night. Now let's talk about the third dried fruit, because this one is special. It's considered a memory tonic in many traditional cultures. It's rich in carotenoids, iron, and natural vitamin compounds that support both the visual cortex and your central nervous system. But what makes it remarkable is how little you need. Just 2 or 3 pieces before bed can support healthy neurotransmitter production. This helps improve focus, recall, and the ability to form and store new memories. If you find yourself misplacing items more often, forgetting names, or feeling mentally slow in the mornings, this dried fruit may help nourish your brain's communication pathways. It also supports the health of the macula, the central part of your eye responsible for sharp vision. Seniors who eat it regularly often report brighter colors, easier reading, and less eye strain. Now let's talk about how to use them together. Combining these 3 dried fruits creates a nighttime synergy that strengthens your eyes and brain more effectively than taking them alone. One supports circulation, one protects the retina, and one fuels your memory centers. Together, they give your body the nutrients it needs at the exact time it's doing its deepest healing, during sleep. The best part is that you don't need a large amount. Seniors often do best with a smaller serving, just enough to provide nutrients without burdening the digestive system before bed. A simple bowl with a few pieces of each fruit is all you need. If you're someone who wakes up hungry at night, this tiny bedtime snack can also help stabilize your blood sugar so your sleep stays deeper and more uninterrupted. Let me walk you through what happens once you fall asleep after eating these dried fruits. First, your blood vessels relax slightly, improving circulation to the eyes. Next, your retina begins its nightly renewal cycle, and the antioxidants from these fruits help neutralize the free radicals created during the day. Meanwhile, your brain begins its memory consolidation process, sorting, organizing, and storing the events of the day. The natural vitamins and compounds in these fruits help strengthen the neural pathways involved in recall, attention, and focus. By the time you wake up, your eyes feel more rested, your mind feels clearer, and you start your day with a feeling of mental energy instead of brain fog. Another benefit seniors love is how gentle this ritual feels. You're not taking pills or swallowing harsh supplements. You're supporting your body with real, whole foods that have nourished human beings for thousands of years. And because you're taking them at night, when stress is low and the body is at rest, your system can absorb their nutrients more effectively. Let me share a quick example. Many seniors tell me that after adding this nightly combination, they began waking up with less sensitivity to morning light. Others say they noticed stronger recall of conversations or details they usually forget. And some feel calmer, more mentally balanced, and more confident in their ability to stay sharp as they age. These are small changes, but when they happen consistently, they create long-term benefits for your vision and brain health. Now let's talk about something important: consistency. If you try this for just one night, you may not notice much. But if you make it a nightly habit for 2 to 3 weeks, your body begins to respond. Your retina receives a steady supply of protective antioxidants. Your memory processing centers get consistent nutritional support. Your sleep deepens, your brain fog reduces, your morning alertness improves. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Your eyes and brain love predictable nourishment, especially as you age. Now that you understand how these dried fruits work inside your body overnight, I want to take you a little deeper, because the real magic isn't just in the nutrients they contain, it's in how your aging cells respond to them. You see, after age 60, something interesting happens inside the eyes and the brain. The cells become more thirsty. They need more antioxidants, more minerals, more healthy natural sugars, yet they absorb less than they used to. This is why seniors often feel like they're eating well but still struggling with dry eyes, blurry vision, or forgetfulness. This is where nighttime nourishment becomes so important. When your body is resting, inflammation drops naturally. Your stress hormones fall, your cells open up like tiny windows, and the nutrients from these dried fruits can slip in more easily. Think of your nighttime routine as a gentle recharge cycle. Imagine your retina like a hard-working camera lens. During the day, it's constantly exposed to bright screens, sunlight, and strain. But at night, the lights dim, and your retina has a chance to restore its structure. This is when those antioxidant-rich dried fruits help strengthen the very cells responsible for clarity, brightness, and sharp focus. And your brain? It goes through something even more incredible. It enters a process scientists call glymphatic cleansing. This is when the brain actually flushes out waste, tiny harmful proteins that build up in the spaces between neurons during the day. When you feed your brain the right nutrients before sleep, you're helping this cleansing system work more efficiently. This is one reason many seniors tell me they start waking up with clearer thoughts, because their brain finally had the fuel it needed to do its nighttime cleaning. Now, let's talk about something many people overlook. Your sleep quality plays a massive role in eye and memory health. When you eat these dried fruits before bed, a few surprising things happen. Your blood sugar stays more balanced through the night. Your nervous system stays calmer. Your blood vessels remain slightly more open. Your retina receives better oxygen delivery. Your brain's memory centers stay more active. This is why seniors often experience deeper sleep, fewer interruptions, and more mental freshness in the morning. But here's the part seniors love the most: This routine is simple, gentle, affordable, and it feels good. There's no pressure, no strict timing, no complicated recipe. You're simply giving your body a little nighttime support with something nature created. Let me explain one more powerful piece of this puzzle. Each of these 3 dried fruits contains natural plant compounds that communicate directly with your cells. These compounds, like polyphenols, carotenoids, and amino acids, send signals that help reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and strengthen the neural pathways that support memory. In other words, they're not just food, they're messengers. They tell your cells it's time to repair. This is especially important for seniors who feel like their vision is slowly getting dimmer, or their mind is becoming more scattered, or their focus is fading. Nighttime is the only time your brain and eyes can do deep repair, and these dried fruits act as the perfect support team. Now, I want to show you what happens when you stay consistent. Not 1 night, not 3 nights, but 2 weeks. Here's what many seniors notice. They wake up with less dryness in the eyes. The morning blur fades faster. They have fewer moments of forgetfulness. Their mental clarity improves. Their reading eye strain reduces. Bright lights feel less harsh. Colors appear slightly sharper. They feel more mentally calm and confident. These aren't dramatic overnight changes. They're gentle improvements that build up, just like watering a plant, just like strengthening a muscle, just like restoring an old photograph. Your eyes and your memory respond to steady, loving attention. Now, before we move forward, let me guide you through a short visualization, because this helps seniors understand why this works so well. Imagine the inside of your eye. A tiny, delicate network of photoreceptors, blood vessels, and nerves. Every night, these cells repair tiny amounts of damage caused by light exposure and aging. Now picture the antioxidants from these dried fruits entering the bloodstream, traveling to those tiny eye cells and gently shielding them from further stress. It's like giving your eyes a protective blanket while they sleep. Now imagine your brain, billions of neurons firing all day, and at night, they rest. They reorganize memories, they stabilize emotional patterns, they clear toxins. The nutrients from these dried fruits help support these processes, keeping your mind sharp, stable, and focused. This is how something so small becomes something so powerful. Now let's get practical. You know these 3 dried fruits are powerful, but which ones are they? And how should you eat them to get the best results? The first dried fruit is the one that quietly protects your eyes from nighttime strain. Seniors around the world have used it for generations for its retina-supporting benefits. When eaten before bed, it releases antioxidants slowly throughout the night, helping your eyes recover from daily exposure to screens, sunlight, and even indoor lighting. Just a small handful is enough to give your retina the raw materials it needs to repair and restore its light-sensing cells. Many seniors notice a difference within just a week. Less dryness, fewer tired eyes, and better comfort when reading or watching television at night. It's subtle, but once you experience it, you'll never want to skip it. The second dried fruit works primarily on your memory. It's considered a natural memory tonic in traditional medicine. This fruit contains compounds that support neurotransmitter function, helping your brain organize, store, and recall information more efficiently. Just a few pieces before bedtime can make mornings feel sharper, like the fog has lifted and your thoughts are clearer. Seniors often notice they can remember names, appointments, or even where they left small items with more ease. The third dried fruit is all about circulation. As we age, blood flow slows, especially to delicate areas like the optic nerve and retina. This fruit helps open tiny blood vessels, ensuring that nutrients and oxygen reach the eyes and brain efficiently while you sleep. It also helps regulate your nervous system, promoting deeper sleep and fewer nighttime awakenings. Seniors who include this fruit in their nightly ritual often wake feeling more refreshed, mentally alert, and with clearer vision. Now, the magic really happens when you combine all 3. One fruit protects the retina, one supports memory, one boosts circulation. Together, they create a synergy that your body can absorb while it's resting, when repair processes are most active. It's a simple, natural way to give your eyes and brain exactly what they need without pills, supplements, or complicated routines. Let's talk about timing. The best results happen if you eat these dried fruits about 20-30 minutes before bed. That gives your body time to digest them slowly and deliver their nutrients during the early stages of sleep. Just a small bowl with a few pieces of each fruit is enough. You don't need a large serving. Seniors often do better with a modest portion, which also prevents any nighttime discomfort. Now, a common question I get, what if I have diabetes or blood sugar concerns? Good news, these dried fruits release sugars slowly. If you're careful with portion size, just a handful, they can be safely included in your nightly routine. And because they stabilize blood sugar gently, they can actually support better sleep, deeper repair, and improved energy in the morning. Another tip, pair your dried fruits with a small glass of water or herbal tea. This helps absorption and keeps your digestion gentle. And over time, you'll notice your body begins to expect this nightly ritual. Your eyes and brain start to respond more quickly to the nutrients, and the benefits compound week after week. Now, let's imagine the results if you commit to this nightly habit for 2 to 3 weeks. Your eyes feel more rested, less dry, and more resilient. You notice sharper night vision and brighter colors. Your memory becomes more reliable, even in the mornings. Mental clarity improves, brain fog diminishes, your sleep deepens, helping your body perform its natural repair processes. And before we wrap up, let's address something important, the little adjustments that make a big difference. Seniors often notice that combining this dried fruit ritual with other simple habits enhances results even more. For example, dim the lights before bed. Your eyes recover better in low light conditions, and your brain begins winding down naturally. Avoid screens for 30 minutes before sleep. The blue light from phones and TVs interferes with your retina and melatonin production, reducing the benefits of your dried fruit ritual. Keep a consistent bedtime. Your body performs repair cycles most efficiently when your sleep schedule is predictable. Now, a quick word about long-term benefits. These 3 dried fruits don't just provide temporary relief. Over weeks and months, seniors often report clearer night vision and less eye strain, sharper recall of names, dates, and daily tasks, improved focus during reading, hobbies, or conversations, a general sense of mental clarity and calm. And here's the beauty. You're doing all of this with natural, whole foods. No pills, no complicated supplements, no expensive routines, just simple fruits that have nourished humans for centuries. Many seniors tell me that this ritual also improves their confidence and independence. Feeling sharper, seeing better, and thinking clearly allows you to enjoy reading, cooking, walking, or even driving without fear or hesitation. These small improvements ripple into every part of life. Finally, remember, this is about gentle, consistent care. Don't stress about perfection. Just commit to this nightly habit, observe your progress, and enjoy the natural improvements that happen when your body receives the right nutrients at the right time, while you sleep. Tonight, take that small bowl of dried fruits, place it beside your bed, and let the quiet healing begin. Close your eyes, rest, and trust that your eyes and brain are working on your behalf. Tomorrow morning, notice the subtle difference, the clarity, the focus, the gentle energy. And if you want more natural tips for seniors to maintain sharp vision and a healthy memory, make sure you subscribe to Senior Health today. There's a treasure trove of practical, science-backed advice coming your way. Simple routines, dietary hacks, and lifestyle changes that can improve your health naturally. Your eyes and brain deserve care. And tonight they can get it. One small, simple, powerful habit at a time.